Okay, so we'll start the spectrophotometer up from scratch. Power on. There's the power lead. There's the new label. We'll start the laptop. We shall plug in the cable, USB, to the PC. The password here, you can't see it very well, is simply password the spectrometer is initializing. Perkin Elmer UV WinLab application. We run as, you can't really see it here, but it's a PE service. Okay. And when the spectrophotometer finishes initializing, we shall go into a wavelength scan. Double click on the wavelength scan. We are initializing. Okay, we shall check the data collection is a 1000 to 400 nanometer transmission. No UV lamp is turned on. We are going to set the axes of the transmission curve from 100 to 0. We won't auto range. Apply. Okay. We press start. And set up. We check there is nothing in the sample beam. Front is the sample beam, the rear is the reference beam. And we run the background correction. And then the sample that we have is a piece of shot RG780 filter glass, absorption filter glass, which of course is transmitting in the infrared, blocking in the visible. Hence the reason we were measuring from 1000 nanometers down to 400 nanometers. At the moment we are background correcting. Background correcting, setting the 0 down to 400 nanometers. nanometers. And now setting up again, and we're at 1000 nanometers. Place the sample in the sample compartment. There's our RG780 sample. And okay, and we start to draw. There we go. Transmission of about 90%, 1000 nanometers. Then we're down to 0, 600 nanometers, because this is a visible blocker. And there is our transmission curve. And coming to the end, 400 nanometers. And there's our curve. No more samples to run. Finished.